Hi, I'm Danielle King. I am from Waseon, Ohio, and my major is pre-physical therapy. It actually stems from an injury experience that I had in high school. I tore my ACL in high school and had to have surgery from that. And when I went to therapy, I absolutely loved my therapist, and they kind of inspired me. It is hard to be a science major. There's a lot of coursework that goes into that and labs and extra homework. But one of the best things is that even with all that, the professors are always willing to have you come in and talk to them at open hours. Everything is very much explained in class, which is really helpful. Over the summer, I actually went into an office nearby, the one that I went to when I hurt myself, and I shadowed the same therapist that I had, which was really fun. And so I got to not only just be there and watch, but they had me actually help with the patients, which was really good and gave me hands-on experience that I'll need for grad school. And it definitely confirmed that this is the major that I want to be in. One of my favorite things about Bluffton is definitely the sense of community that we have here, because it was kind of scary coming at first not knowing anyone, but within about 2 days I had a big group of friends, and even now I came back for this year and I just know everyone on campus, and I've already met a lot of cool freshmen, so I know that they'll become part of the community and it'll just be a fun time.